Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Chatbot on your hosting or website. First, log into your account. Then, on the left panel, go to your websites section. Here, you'll see a list of your website, so click on the edit button beside the one you want to work with. Now you're inside the website editor, where you can go and add a chatbot. In adding one, we will use a third-party website. So here, you may go to botpenguin.com, where we will make our chatbot. So for here, go and log in or make an account for it. Here I have an example of my chatbot, but I'm going to show you how to create a new one. So just go ahead and click on the plus sign button on the top left corner, then choose bot. For here, go and select website for your server and proceed with it. Now, select your business goal. For me, I will choose customer support. So just go and wait for it to be processed. After that, you will choose a template for it. So for here, I'm going to choose this SaaS Inquiry Chatbot. Then just go and confirm by clicking on the Use Now button. After that, you can go ahead and edit your chat flow. So just go and click on it. Then here, you can go and customize your flow according to what you need for your chatbot. You can go and select from these options if you'd like to, or you can add one of your own. But once done on customizing, click on the install button on the top right corner. Then, choose custom build and click next. Now, go to embed chatbot at the upper ribbon. Then for here, you need to copy the embed code. Once done, go back to your hosting or website editor and add a section. For here, select a blank one where you will add your chatbot. Now on the left panel, select Elements, then choose Embed Code and drag it to the section that you just created. Now enter your code. Just go ahead and paste it inside this code bracket. Delete the existing one and replace it with the one from your chatbot maker and click Embed Code. Now, take note that not all embed codes are visible within the editor and preview modes. To see your chatbot, you can go and click on the Go Live button at the top right, but you need to upgrade your plan so that you will be able to use your embed content or your chatbot. But that's just basically it. That's how you add a chatbot on your hosting or website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.